Factory sound sucks? Fix it with the Rockford Fosgate DSR1. DSP magic for Ford and Chrysler owners. Ever feel like your car audio is gaslighting you? You crank the volume, hoping for that chest-thumping bass or crisp vocals, and instead, you get muddy mids, distortion, and that sad, flat factory sound. You've spent time and gas in your car, and it's supposed to be your escape, your vibe zone. But the system's holding you back. Replacing everything sounds like a nightmare. Losing steering wheel controls, janky install jobs, and wires that look like spaghetti gone rogue. You're left frustrated, unmotivated, and wondering if it's even worth trying to upgrade. Spoiler alert! It is, you just need the right gear. Now imagine you're already drowning in projects or deadlines. You finally get a free weekend to do the upgrade, but everything's a compatibility mess. No output signal, can't keep factory controls, your fader disappears into a black hole, and your vehicle is now a mobile stress bunker. You Google how to fix car audio and fall into a 3-hour Reddit rabbit hole. Creeping burnout? Check. Missed drives and moments because your music sounds like a dying speakerphone? Check. And let's not even talk about paying someone else $1,200 to still end up with a system that sounds like disappointment. Enter the Rockford Fosgate DSR1, the holy grail of signal processors. Co-developed with iDataLink Maestro, the DSR1 is the first true drop-in solution for upgrading factory audio in Ford and Chrysler rides. This isn't just a DSP, it's a genius-level audio translator that lets you retain all your OEM controls while unleashing pro-grade tuning. You get 245 bands of EQ, time alignment, crossovers, Bluetooth 4.0 tuning from your phone. Yeah, it's basically a full command center in your glove box. And it uses your vehicle's full range signal to give you the cleanest, richest sound foundation possible. No cutting, no cursing, no compromises. It gets even juicier. Plug it in, flash the firmware to match your vehicle, and boom! You're ready to tune your entire system in real time using Rockford's Perfect Tune app. The DSR1 supports high-level RCA, SPDIF, and Bluetooth input, so whatever your setup, it fits. Got a sub? Tweak it. Want your tweeters crisp but not ear-stabbing? Dial them in. The built-in Maestro module handles all your CAN bus integration like a boss. With Rockford's battle-tested build quality and a 1-year warranty, this isn't just another gadget, it's the backbone of a system that finally respects your taste. Thousands of real drivers already made the leap. Are you gonna be next or get left in static? Units are moving fast, because it solves problems nobody else can. Don't settle for weak factory audio or janky workarounds. Upgrade the smart way, with full control. Don't wait till the next road trip to feel regret. Get the DSR1 now, lock in that crystal clear sound, and turn your daily drive into an audio sanctuary. Tap that link, claim your ears back, and roll with power. This is your system, own it.